DJT stock analysis, Friday update. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in a short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm looking at Trump Media Technology stock, it is up like 14 or whatever dollars, but it's 5% up as well. It doesn't really change the fact that he has done from a few days ago. This thing just definitely broke structure below 14.32, and that's crucial because that was the only kind of low holding this price up from a broader picture. Now this will only really start to be bullish something for me if we start breaking some highs around 2.8. Those are high. Like if we start breaking above them now, like once doesn't count, like real good double break, then I'm really gonna be intrigued by the bullishness. But for right now, it's still bearish, so I'm even open to the bearish idea. If the price gives the rules, I'm willing to take it lower. But guess what I'm gonna do? Not short. Instead, I'm gonna wait. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will see you in the next one.